Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're looking at traditional ratio don't work for stock and what you're going to do about it. Now, don't forget to look at and check out the legal disclaimer. Again, this is entertainment only and educational only. It's not recommended for you to buy, sell or trade. Okay, very important. Now, the 5 ratio that I got for you for stocks are cash burn, cash runaway, chunk rate, customer acquisition costs, and customer lifetime values. Now, if you are going to invest or starting a startup, make sure you know about cash burn. Now, the cash burn ratio is quite simple. Basically, it's how quickly you spend your money. Now, it's also expressed in a monthly amount. How do you do it? Very simple. Look at your profit and loss statement. Look at how much you actually spend. That is your cash burn. Now, take away any extraordinary spending. Now, that will become your cash burn. Once you know what is your cash burn, then you can actually do something about it. Now, it is so important to keep track of it on the early stage for your startup. And also, you got to keep track of it even when you go into the growth state. Okay, very important. Now, as an investor, you want to make sure that the company that you invest in, startup, actually spend some of the money to add some value and generate some sales. Now, as a CEO for a startup, you want to make sure that you actually spend money to do things that actually add value to your shareholders. So very important. So knowing the cash burn is important. Now the next ratio is called runaway, cash runaway. So basically it's how much time do you have before you run out of money. Now, to work it out is quite simple. All you need to do is look at how much money you got in the bank and using your cash burn, okay? So that will give you an idea. So example for this is, let's say you got $250,000 in the bank and your cash burn is $25,000. So basically you got 10 months left. Now the first 3 months, once you burn through, you want to start raising money or show some results so you can get more money. So very important to have a understanding of cash runaway. Now the next one is really important. This is your chunk rate. Basically what it means is how often do you lose your customers, okay? So I'll give you an example for this one. A customer sign up for a subscription, then they leave, okay? So that's chunk rate, you're losing a customer. To do this one is easy. It's number of lost customer in the month divided by the total number of customer per month. Previous month, multiplied by 100, okay? So that's how you do the chunk rate. Now knowing that will be important because either you do something to stop losing customer or you get more customer coming through. Very important. The next one we have is called customer acquisition cost. Now what this is how much it's going to cost you to actually get a new customer. So basically the formula is this: total monthly acquisition cost divided by total number of new customers acquired across all your channel per month. So that will give you an idea how much it costs you to get new customers. Now, online usually costs maybe about $30 per customer, so you want to minimize that and get more sales. So very important to know this cost. Now the final one we have is customer lifetime value. This is the net profit from your customer throughout the entire relationship with them. So to do this one is easy. Average transaction cost multiply by number of purchase frequency and expected year of relationship. That will give you your customer lifetime values. Now knowing that is important because then you can do some forecasts into the future, how much money is coming through for you based on the customers, and that will give you an idea if you want to do some projection and or if you want to get more investors to come in. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.